Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your LG TV for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to come on over to LG.com, and then from here we want to go ahead and sign up or sign into your account. So just hover over the user icon here, and as you can see, I'm signed in. Then once you've signed in, we can go ahead and start the registration process. So click on register a product and then click on let's start registration. Then from here on this page, we want to go ahead and enter manually. So you want to go ahead and enter your model number. So if you're not sure how to find it, click on find my model number and go through the steps there. To the right, you want to go ahead and enter the serial number, also your purchase date and place of purchase. Now I suggest uploading an image of your TV as well. So these files must be less than 10 megabytes, and you got allowed file types: JPEG, GIF, PDF, PNG, TIFF, and ZIP. So it's always just an added layer of proof. Then from there, go ahead and click on submit, and then from there you have successfully registered your LG TV for warranty.